Pero hindi pa kayo nag-join for president resignation, yung post for president resignation?
Ako, okay rin kung that would solve the problem, you know. I think dapat mahanap natin yung katotohanan and then something should be done about it. And let's see. Ako, if that would be the end, the solution in the end, then so be it. But naniniwala ako na dapat mag-continue yung search for the truth and people should be punished for what they have done.
Pero personally, are you satisfied with the president's performance for the past several years?
I think okay naman ang performance niya in other aspect, but this nangyari sa atin na maraming graft and corruption. I think as a president, answerable siya dito kasi command, it's di ba, pag may mga nangyayari sa baba, dapat you take responsibility for that, di ba?
Magiging answerable lang siya if she steps down. Is that the way you want to resign?
Or the ones we find out the truth and mapunish sila. Kaya lang yung ating justice system ngayon parang hindi naniniwala ang tao that if you go to court you will get the truth, di ba? So mahirap.